Looking for a no-hassle, pre-mixed, ready-to-use multi-purpose primer? ARDEX P4 Pre-Mixed Rapid Drying Multi-Purpose Primer is your solution for priming over most common substrates. ARDEX P4 is ideal for fast-track priming prior to the installation of tile and stone, especially for tile-over-tile applications. The white color clearly distinguishes primed areas. ARDEX P4 delivers outstanding coverage of 300 square feet per gallon. ARDEX P4 Primer is very easy to apply with a paint roller or brush and is ready for tile in as little as 30 minutes. It can also be used to prime before the installation of ARDEX self-leveling underlayments. ARDEX P4 is your go-to primer for interior and exterior applications.